Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Gmail nudges, suggest emails to follow up on a Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home key at the bottom of the screen. Next, on the home screen or in the app screen, tap on the Google folder. Then tap on Gmail. Next, tap on the menu key at the top. From the menu, tap on Settings. Then tap on the Gmail account that you are using. Now go down. So go down to the Nudges section and tap on Replied and Follow Up. Then tap on Suggest Emails to follow up on. So tap on this checkbox to turn on or turn off. If this is switched on, then sent emails you might need to follow up on will appear at the top of your inbox. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to your inbox, or you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.